Xin chào, how's everybody doing? So I'm back from my month-long trip from Vietnam. So we're checking out the Ho Chi Minh City, one of the outdoor market. So busy. This is a Monday too. And let's just say it was truly life-changing. More on that story later. I'm back with more unboxing free stuff. Companies were waiting for me to get back because I know they needed my help to test and review their products. So as you can see right here, there are 7 items. Let's go ahead and start from the top. What is this? Oh, these are the wearable wrist and ankle weights from Lusper. That is going to be awesome. I think this is about ½ pound. Yeah, I can't wait to go to another level with my workouts. That's going to make the workouts more intense. Cool product to have right there. What is this in here? As you can see, we got plenty of big boxes right here. Oh, by the way, Vietnam was outrageously hot. I'm talking about every day was like 95 and above. And even says on the forecast, it feels like 105, 100 plus. It's ridiculous. So basically I had to take like at minimum 2 showers, sometimes even 4 showers a day because it gets really sticky. As you can see, I look a little bit slimmer right now. I did gain a couple of pounds, but of course I haven't worked out for over a month. I'm just getting back in just of things. So here we have the Ansel, what is this? A battery tester. Oh, cool. Oh, it's also a scanner. So you imagine plugging into your car so you know what error codes you have. This is going to be truly a useful item. All right. What is next? You know what? Let me open this. What can this be, guys? I hope they didn't send me a shower rod or something like that. Boring. Something long? What can it be? A painting? I'm kind of excited. I just hope that it's something worthwhile to test, you know? Oh, snap. I saw like a Chinese character. What is this? Oh, snap. What is this? Oh, yes. Is that how you pronounce it? Is this a katana sword? Oh, no, they didn't. Look at this. Even says a little bit of a description right here. Long Quan sword originated in the spring and autumn and warring states periods of China, which has over 1,000 years of history and is famous for superb forge technology and rich experience of swords. It's actually put DTYES is a famous sword brand. I think this is a hand-forged, customized sword. Oh snap, can't wait to test this out. This is a sneak peek, guys. Jeez, I'm already excited already. Alright, and this box right here, which you can see, it looks like it's going to be another cool ceiling fan with light button that's dimmable. So I'm very excited to add that to my probably a bathroom, no, not bathroom, to my probably master bedroom this time. Okay. So we got 3 more big boxes to take care of. Oh, by the way, make sure you check out my new videos. Most of them are Vietnam videos, especially the food tour. That's truly amazing. I really missed the food there already. Oh, okay. I see what's in here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. It looks like it's a dermoid detection technologies. What is this? A metal detector. I think I reviewed one of these 2 years ago, but this must be their latest model. Put that off to the side. So the places I toured in Vietnam was, let's see, I stayed in Saigon from most of the time. And then we toured Vung Tau, visited the statue, the Jesus Christ statue, And then checked out the beach, and then we went to the lot, which is mild weather, similar to Seattle, surprisingly. Oh snap, handheld UV vacuum cleaner. Yes, this helps to kill the dust mites and other harmful kind of insects. It's microscopic. This is going to come in super handy, guys. All right, lastly, we got the biggest box for last. What can this be? Save the best for last. Biggest and best for last. Here we go. Something big. Can it be a furniture? I see weight. I see weight. Oh snap! It's a Lusper. I believe this is a adjustable weight bench. Finally, I'm gonna have a weight bench that can incline and decline. Now I can get proper workout in. So these are my upcoming reviews. Make sure you stay tuned for that because I'm super excited and I'm back, baby, with more exciting videos. Take care of yourselves.